All right. Well, hello again, sixth grade. This is our last video for chapter 3, lesson 3.6b. Once again, we got two things here that I'm going to want you to take a screenshot of, or pause and write them down, or refer to the Google Doc that's attached to this lesson 3.6b. But you want to get this U.S. customary to metric, and this metric to U.S. customary. I will be referring to these conversions throughout, okay? You will notice that these are not true equal signs, okay? Which means these are just estimates. They're not exact, okay? And so we want to make sure that you understand that when you see kind of these squiggly equal signs that you see here, that means that it's approximately pretty close, but not exact. And so it's going to be those squiggly lines that we are using throughout our video here today. So we're going to start with this one. 14 liters equals so many quarts. Well, we first of all need to look at the conversion chart. And when we look at the conversion chart, we find that 1 liter is about 1 6/100 of a quart. Okay, it's not exact, but it's pretty close. But I have 14 liters. So what am I going to do to figure out how many quarts that is? Well, that's going to be a multiplication problem. That's going to be 1 6/100 times 14. And I'm just going to have to go and do those problems. No calculators. We're just going to have to do this multiplication the way we know how. 4 times 6 is 24. Put the 4 down, carry the 2. 4 times 0 is 0, plus the 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. I'm going to put a 0 down so everything lines up with my 1. I already used that 2, so I want to cross it off. I always encourage people to cross things off because it's very easy to get confused. If we don't cross them off, we could accidentally carry or add the wrong number later. So lining up everything with my 1, 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. I'm going to go ahead and add these numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. Nothing in 1 is 1. Want to remember the rule? How many ever digits come after the decimal in the problem? That's how many digits need to come after the decimal in the answer. So I just have these two, the 0 and the 6, because there's no decimal in the 14, so that's just 2. I start at the right, 1, 2. My decimal goes right there, so I have 2 places after the decimal in my answer. I find that 14 liters is about 14 84 hundredths of 14 84 hundredths quarts. All right, let's go to the next one. 16 kilograms is about how many pounds? So once again, I go to my conversion chart and I see that 1 kilogram is approximately 2 2/10 pounds. So since 1 kilogram is 2 2/10 pounds, but I have 16 kilograms, I need to go ahead and do 16 times 2 2/10. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3. Put the 0 down to line everything up with the 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3. I go ahead and add these two numbers. 2 and 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Nothing plus 3 is 3. Once again, how many ever digits come after the decimal in the problem? That's how many digits need to come after the decimal in the answer. Well, the 16 is just a 16. It's only this 2 that comes after a decimal, so that's just one number that comes after a decimal. So I just need one number after the decimal in my answer. I get 35 2/10, which means that 16 kilograms is approximately 35 2/10 pounds. The last one that we're looking at, 20 23 centimeters equals approximately how many inches? So I go to my conversion chart and I find that 1 centimeter is about 39 hundredths of an inch. But I have 23 centimeters. So that tells me that I've got to do 23 times 39 hundredths. I'm going to come over here, 23 times 39 hundredths. 9 times 3 is 27. Put the 7 down, carry the 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus the 2 is 20. Put the 0 down to line everything up with my 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. I go ahead and add these. 7 and 0 is 7. 0 plus 9 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. There are 2 digits that come after the decimal in the problem, just the 3 and the 9. So I need 2 digits that come after the decimal in the answer. 8 and 97 hundredths. Okay? And that's what I get. 23 centimeters equals about 8 and 97 hundredths inches. All right, 6th grade, that's our lesson for today. That's what you'll be doing. Talk to you later. Bye.